You are going to love the 2024 Mirage. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 3-cylinder, 1.2-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, LED headlights, fog lamps, front disc rear drum brakes. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, lane departure warning, cruise control, trip computer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.